I was the spark, the ember unseen, building my throne in the cracks in between. You wrote my name in whispers and lies, but every secret just made me rise. You played your hand, you took your aim, but every wound just fed the flame. Now the dark has found its king. Bow to me, let the anthem ring. They call me a curse, they call me insane, but I wear the hate like a golden chain. From the ashes I forge my crown, until your hero's down. I'm the villain in your story, the chaos in your glory. I'll be the shadow in your light, the storm you cannot fight. Just say just what is scared, your empire's unprepared. I'm the kingdom never see, and you will bow to me. Rise and watch your world burn in my eyes. You built your walls with brittle stone, but the cracks have turned your pride to